Did you know that shipping container homes are becoming a revolutionary trend in sustainable living? Not only are they eco-friendly, but they also offer a unique and stylish alternative to traditional housing. I'm Elijah, and welcome to Answer the Home. If you're passionate about home improvements, remodeling, and DIY projects, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of shipping container homes. We'll explore why they're a fantastic choice, showcase some amazing design inspirations, guide you through building your own, break down the costs, and weigh the pros and cons. First up, why choose shipping container homes? There are several compelling reasons. Repurposing old shipping containers reduces waste and promotes recycling. By converting these containers into homes, we're helping the environment by giving them a new life instead of letting them rust away in a junkyard. A shipping container home can be significantly cheaper than constructing a traditional house. With the structure already in place, you save on materials and labor costs, making it a budget-friendly option. Shipping containers are built to withstand harsh conditions at sea, so they're incredibly strong and durable. This makes them a safe and robust choice for a home, capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions. Now, let's get inspired by some incredible shipping container home designs. Check out these modern, sleek designs that blend industrial elements with contemporary style. Here's a rustic container home, embracing natural materials and a cozy, inviting feel. And look at this multi-level container home. It's a masterpiece of innovative architecture. Each of these homes has unique features that make them stand out. From rooftop gardens to expansive windows that let in natural light, the possibilities are endless. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or something more elaborate, there's a container home design out there for you. Thinking about building your own container home? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Planning. Decide on the size, design, and layout of your home. Consider how many containers you'll need and how they'll be arranged. Permits. Check local building regulations and obtain the necessary permits. Foundation. Lay a solid foundation to support your containers. This could be a concrete slab or piers. Modifications. Cut out spaces for doors and windows and add insulation and interior walls. Use quality insulation to ensure your home is energy efficient. Plan your plumbing and electrical systems carefully to avoid costly changes later. Let's talk numbers. Here's a detailed breakdown of the costs involved in building a shipping container home. Containers. Depending on size and condition, containers can cost between $2,000 to $5,000 each. Foundation. Expect to spend around $5,000 to $10,000. Modifications and labor. This can vary widely, but budget for $20,000 to $50,000. Interior finishing. Costs for insulation, plumbing, electrical, and finishing touches can add up to $30,000 to $50,000. To save on some money, look for secondhand containers in good condition and consider doing some of the work yourself if you have the skills. Reuse and recycle materials wherever possible to cut down on expenses. Every housing option has its pros and cons, and shipping container homes are no exception. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of shipping container houses. Great for the environment. Generally cheaper than traditional homes. Built to last and withstand extreme conditions. Stand out with a modern industrial look. On the negative side, we have containers can get very hot or cold, so proper insulation is crucial. Limited width can be challenging, but clever design can overcome this. Navigating local regulations can be tricky, so research thoroughly before starting. Understanding these pros and cons will help you make an informed decision. We've seen stunning design inspirations, walked through the building process, and broken down the costs. We also discussed the advantages and challenges of living in a container home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts and experiences with container homes in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.